already told this nigga that he see me, that he gon' put me on the shirt. They hate my reaction cause I am a savage. I go to the well, let us get to the church, ooh, like young and May. I flood the strip with 100 plates. Horsepower screaming underlay. My amigo here move a ton of day.
Hey, have you guys watched this YouTube? It's pretty badass, I ain't gonna lie.
Look at that guy.
He hit that jump up there with I hate Harley guys. So you gonna fucking edit that out, bro?
I ain't gonna lie, I've been watching your YouTube. I just don't have a YouTube account, so it's like I don't subscribe. I'm trying to subscribe.
You need to start doing YouTube.
Yeah. I was like the
There's videos of us doubled up riding around the
I know, bro.
It's my first subscriber.
Yeah.
CJ Slides.
CJ.
I think I was like
CJ Slides.
Is he about to try to fit in there?
Hey.
CJ Slides, bud.
You gotta change your name. I told him to CJ Nuts the Buzz. He's not sliding anymore. He's fucking wheeling.
What are you doing on this, Jet?
Come on, get the fuck on your shit. Let's
Do you
go.
want smoke?
Yeah, I want all smoke. All smoke is down, Bubby. Give it up. You ain't fucking with me.
I ain't gonna do it yet. Can I get a piece of steak?
There ain't no
This
steak.
one right here. This one right here.
No,
Whatever this is, let me get it. My boy. Let me spill it on you.
You just do what I got a belt on. When I wear my gun, I do.
Nigga, see the jeggings?
I was at work. Nigga, these are dickies, bitch.
Damn, that piece right there looking good. That one in the corner.
All I got for you right here.
No, I don't want. No, nigga.
What, man? What?
This piece right here. My boy. Ew. I bike.
See, I fucking knew you didn't want it, dude. That's why you just fucking
Jet, I was letting you get warmed up. The bike not even warmed up.
Bike's been warmed up.
If you want smoke, just say that. All you gotta do is say that.
So get the fuck out of first gear, bitch. Still playing.
No, I wasn't in first gear, was I?
I don't know.
I was
You're in-
shifting in the fucking road right there.
That's
Yeah,
the
he
only
definitely
time
shifted.
That's the only time it smokes is when you just dogging the fuck out of the top gear.
What you lacing up for?
Man, your ass got burnt the fuck up though, dude. You can't fucking.
I hit that big ass pothole, man.
I'm glad to see you actually turning.
Yeah, you're doing good.
Can you at least, I need you to at least circle the lot. I need to see it
Nigga,
both ways.
I can circle the light easy.
Both ways.
I can't do right. I ain't gonna lie.
Because you're not trying, motherfucker.
Hey, tell
So wait, when you pop in clutch or you just power wheelie in this son?
You only, on 2 strokes, you only pop the clutch when you're not in the band. Like at a standstill or, but
Okay,
if,
when I'm slowly rolling, nigga,
When
I'm
you're-
not in the band, so I pop the clutch.
yeah.
I
But,
know you can't, I'm just saying what band you ride. I'm trying to see what the band
but
is
if you're right next to the band, you just smack that bitch.
And then pop. I need a 2-stroke, bruh. I gotta feel that one time in my life. Come on, I'm following you.
Alright, let me check my gas. Alright. You following me? You lost your motor mount and this one. This one's coming out.
thought the bottom and the front. That's not all that though. That's bottom too.
Nah, it's just your motor mount.
Oh, there's a motor mount here. Hey. Mine are hard, bud.
Bro, do you see his fucking glasses over his...
Bro, them is female glasses.
No, they ain't, motherfucker.
Is them not female
They're
glasses?
heat wave glasses, bro.
I don't know how you can tell.
That's what I'm saying. Look like some aftermarket.
You lost this bolt and this bolt
Nah,
is coming
that
out.
holds the horn on. This is just to hold the jugs together. It's got a motor mount on the back, and it's got one right here too. Hey, I didn't break tabs though. No tabs are
So what
broke.
happened?
Then what happened? The bolt just came out?
I mean, stock motor mounts front and rear. I don't have a puck or nothing. Oh yeah. They're
What'd you say?
blown out.
What'd you say?
They're just blown out.
There's rubber inside of there, and that rubber can get like worn out, and then it'll just like blow itself out.
Yeah, I overdid it today, bro. I was sliding into a donut and just fell. Watch my motor.
Oh shit, you can hear it. I thought it was just walling, I can hear it. These bolts are loose.